back again. Back to do a very quick and easy, simple lunch. Check this out. Okay, so we have our gram masala here. We got cayenne pepper. We got a white spelt flour. We got grapeseed oil. We have some Himalayan sea salt. And we have here some oyster mushroom. Okay, so today we're doing a vegan chicken. That's right. This is how I do my vegan chicken with oyster mushroom. Check it out. Okay, this is dry batter. I prefer to use the dry batter. So we mix that with the cayenne pepper, the sea salt, and the gram masala, and some flour. And all we do, we just get it coated with the flour. Make sure it's nicely coated. Dust them off. And we go for another one. And we get them all coated. Yeah. Okay, it's time to fry our chicken. Our chicken is ready. So you see, it's nicely marinated, ready to go. And we're using grapeseed oil to fry. So all we do, we're just ready to fry. Get them in there. Get them nice and brown. Why we use grapeseed oil is because it's got a higher temperature when it comes to frying. So we use that. Okay, our chicken is ready. That's a finished article. When you finish them, that's all ready to go. Okay, this is it. We're finished. This is our vegan chicken. Finish off with some salad and some avocado. Delicious with that. Remember, like, subscribe, and I'll continue to bring out all these lovely videos. Thank you. See you next time.